Hi guys, welcome to our video this time. Here, we will learn exploratory data analysis, EDA, in just 1 hour. We will analyze supermarket sales data using Python. Don't worry, this video is perfect for beginners, so you don't need to worry. Come on, let's get started. First, we need to prepare the tools. We will use Python with libraries such as Pandas, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. Make sure you have installed this library. If not, you can install it with the command pip install pandas matplotlib seaborn. Okay, let's start by loading the data. The first step, we will load data from the CSV file. We use the pd.read csv function from the pandas library. After that, we check whether there is any missing or incomplete data using df.isNull.sum. If there is any missing data, we can decide to fill or delete it. Next, we will change the date column to datetime format to make it easier to analyze. We will also extract the month from the date to make it easier to analyze sales per month. This is very important to see sales trends over time. Now, we will analyze the total sales per month. We will group the data by month and add up the total column to see how much the total sales are each month. After that, we will visualize the results using a bar plot. From here, we can see which months have the highest and lowest sales. This can help us in planning marketing strategies or stock of goods in the future. Next, we will analyze which product categories are selling the most. We will group the data by product line and sum the quantity column to see how much each product category is selling. We will visualize the results using a bar plot again. From here, we can see which product categories are selling the most and which ones need attention. This can be a consideration for increasing sales or managing stock. In addition, we can also analyze sales per city. We will group the data by city and add up the total column to see which city has the highest sales. The visualization also uses a bar plot. From here, we can see which city is the largest market and which needs to increase sales. This is very useful for a more focused marketing strategy. Next, we will analyze which payment methods are most popular among customers. We will count the frequency of each payment method using value counts. We will visualize the results using a bar plot. From here, we can see which payment methods are most frequently used. This can help us in choosing a more efficient payment method or offering promotions for certain methods. In addition, we can also analyze the distribution of ratings given by customers. We will use a histogram to see the distribution of ratings from 1 to 10. From here, we can see whether customers are satisfied with our service or not. If the rating is low, maybe there is something that needs to be improved in our service. Next, we will analyze the correlation between numeric variables such as unit price, quantity, tax 5%, total, COGS, gross income, and rating. We will use a heat map to see the relationship between these variables. From here, we can see if there is a strong relationship between these variables. For example, whether the unit price affects total sales or not. We can also analyze sales based on gender. We will group the data by gender and sum the total column to see the difference in sales between male and female customers. The visualization uses a bar plot. From here, we can see if there is a significant difference in purchasing patterns between men and women. Finally, we will analyze sales based on customer type, namely member and normal. We will group the data based on customer type and sum the total column. The visualization also uses a bar plot. From here, we can see whether member customers contribute more to sales or not. This can be a consideration for customer loyalty programs. Okay guys, that's the EDA tutorial in 1 hour. We've learned a lot, from analyzing sales per month, product categories, cities, payment methods, to analyzing based on gender and customer type. Hopefully this video is useful for those of you who are new to learning EDA. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. If you have any questions or requests for the next video, write them in the comments column. See you in the next video. Thank you and keep up the spirit of learning.